Hello everyone. Now we are going to study about wastewater treatment plant. Wastewater, we know what is wastewater. It is sewage. Treatment plant means where wastewater is treated. That is treatment plant. Okay. So from where wastewater is coming to the treatment plant? It is coming from the sewerage system to the treatment plant. Okay. So there are three steps in wastewater treatment plant. These are primary treatment, then secondary treatment, then tertiary treatment. Okay, so what is primary treatment? In primary treatment, basically there is solid waste are removed, oil is removed, and different chemicals are removed, whatever floating on the water, that can be removed from through this primary treatment. So there are three steps in primary treatment as well: screening, grit removal, and primary sedimentation. In screening there are iron bars which are act like a bar screen, and in that bar screen basically sewerage is passed, and finally in those bar screen few things like plastics, cans, sticks, all these are collected and not allowed to flow with the rest of the sewage water, and these waste collected here is disposed in the landfill. Okay, so in this way screening is done. Rest of the sewage water is allowed to pass out except few solid waste like bigger sized particles like plastic, cans and sticks are screened here. Next one is grit removal. Then this sewage is passed, then screened sewage is made to pass through a grit and sand removal tank. So this sewage is passed through a grit and sand removal tank, in which basically pebbles, sand and grit are not allowed to pass, because in that tank basically water is allowed to settle down for few time. For after some time basically all these particles are settled down on the bottom down, and rest of the water is allowed to pass out through this tank after allowing to settling down the bigger sized particles, solid particles like pebbles, sand, grit, etc. Then next one is primary sedimentation. Sedimentation means again when the sewage water is allowed to settle down on the bottom of some huge container, that is sedimentation. So sedimentation is basically allowing anything to settle down. Okay, that is mixed in water. Then in primary sedimentation there is a process of same settling down the wastewater, that is sewage, in primary sedimentation tank. For 10 to 12 hours it is allowed to settle down on the this tank, sedimentation tank. Then we can say here this sewage means the sewage that comes from the grit removal tank to primary sedimentation, and after allowing to settle down, that is after allowing to sedimentation, the suspended particles are finally settled down on the tank, and those suspended particles are called sludge. So what is sludge? It is the suspended particles like fecal matter, organic waste materials, those are allowed to settle down. Understood? Next, that sludge is then passed to a digester tank. Another tank, that is called digester tank. In that tank, that sludge is allowed to move. Then after that there are lots of anaerobic bacteria, or obviously bacteria are found everywhere. So anaerobic bacteria are found there. They treat on the sludge and they decompose that sludge into biogas, and you must know that what is the use of biogas. Lots of use to produce basically to generate electricity in house. How? By connecting bulbs. Even for cooking, cooking gas stove can be it can be used through, by using this biogas we can cook things. So this is the use of sludge. After treating by anaerobic bacteria, biogas is produced, that is utilized as a fuel. Basically it is utilized as a fuel. Clear? Next one, the left out sludge. The left out sludge is allowed to dry out. Okay, and after drying, that left out sludge is used as manure to for farming land. Okay, now the water that is left is having some oil particles, some grease materials are there. Those can be screened. Those can be removed by skimmer. And then now the water that is left out in that sewage, that is called clarified water, not pure water, but it is clarified water. Clear? Now next topic will be secondary treatment, that we'll discuss in next video. Now you look at the screen.